Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm gonna exactly show you how you can unlink EA account from Steam. So it's actually very easy if you want to unlink your EA account from your Steam. So if you got a game that's from EA, you can just open up the game directly. And once you open it up, you gotta find an option to visit the site. So you basically gotta go to EA's website through the game, or if you cannot, just simply open up EA and go to your website like this. And right over here, what you have to do is just go to connected accounts option. Make sure you log in into your account, and you gotta go to connected accounts. And right over here, you'll see a few linked accounts, and I haven't linked my Steam account, so your Steam account will be right over here linked. What you have to do after that is just simply press on unlink, and your Steam account will be unlinked from your EA account. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one. Until then, goodbye and peace out.